is for good cause, Mr. Speaker, because if you were to value the property that is destroyed, even as a supermarket like the one in Meru alone, or the looting that happened in OTC and the whole destruction, it would take the entire budget, perhaps, Mr. Speaker, of Ministry of Interior, for example, to compensate those people. And then we would be encouraging also goons and criminals to be destroying property, and then people are compensated. I think this is a mechanism out of compassion that His Excellency is putting in place to just look at the loss of life. And you can never compensate life. I think even the word compensate is a compassionate support, if you may ask me, because there's nothing, no amount of money can bring back life or can be equated to life by any family. So maybe let me tie together that with what Honorable Karoli Omondi raised, Mr. Speaker, concerning the mechanism of that compensation. First, let me confirm that this includes the police officers. So police officers who have also got injured or died in the course of these incidences and protests, Mr. Speaker, from 2017 would also be part and parcel of this team to be compensated.